Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm thinking that I'm going to fix the input thing that we did in the previous video because, I don't know, I didn't quite like how I solved that, and also I found that you could use there are built-in callbacks in glfw, so we can just use that. So yeah, let's just do that. I'm thinking that maybe I should just remove this process input thing here. I don't see any use case for it if we're using callbacks. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove that one. I'm going to the input.c. And what I'm going to do is that we're going to rename this method to input callback, and also we're going to change the parameters or the arguments for that one to this. There we go. Now we still want that. We still want that to happen, and I'm thinking maybe we can still have this event manager stuff. I don't know. It might actually still be useful. Yeah, let's keep it for now and see what we can do with it. But yeah, we're gonna need to change this a little bit. Okay. So we still want to do this. Int state equals int state equals glf we get key window l key, and then we'll just let's just do that, I guess. Maybe we should just do that and do that. And do whoop. Come on. And do that. That should actually sort of work, I guess. What if we now go into the actor pad and just clean this up a little bit. So that is not going to be, where is it? State. So yeah, we're gonna get the state back there. For the yeah, that should work, I think. So let's just print that state and see what it contains. So if we do printf state and compile, that didn't work. L is undeclared. Oh well. We still need it, I guess. There we go. Make now if we run it, pressing enter, it will not do anything at all. Oh, we didn't register the callback. Sorry. So let's just do that and do. I guess we can do it right after we have initialized the window, but or maybe it's there is a better place to do it, because then we have the event manager. Yeah, it's probably better. And we actually called it input callback, but maybe a key callback is actually a better name. So let's do that. Key callback. Do we have that in the input.h as well, I guess? No, we don't. So we need to add it here. We don't have that one anymore. Make clean, make doesn't compile, conflicting types for callback. Okay. Key callback. Void key callback. Void key callback in actor pad.c. Oh. Ha ha ha. X callback, I don't know. We're still not getting anything. What if we print the what if we printf what if we print the action here? Whoa. We're getting nothing here, which is weird. Printf. Include h. Yeah, we're getting nothing. That's pretty strange, actually. Maybe we need to do some poll event thing. So, well, no. If you only need to update the console when we receive wait events, we might need to do this actually. So in our main, maybe we need to do that actually. No, we're actually doing that in the end, so that shouldn't be. Yeah, we are already doing that. Well, now it's working for some reason. Maybe we need to do it first time in the loop or something, I don't know. Yeah, so we're getting stuff now. Let's remove that one. So the only thing we're printing now is in the actor pad. We're printing this stuff, which is the state. but it's basically printing sort of what I wanted. I'm just gonna think this through. What is going on here? So we're adding an event listener for the enter key, and then we're adding a callback, but we're actually getting the callback is being executed even though it's not an enter key. So what we need to do here is to do if key is equal to L key, I guess. Now we shouldn't get anything else. So if I press space, nothing happens. If I press enter, something happens. So that's pretty nice. So I guess our event manager wasn't really useless. We can still use it like this. It's pretty nice actually. Add event listener, event manager. Maybe we should rename this for now to something like X callback. Rename that to actor pad key callback key enter callback or something. I don't know. So what we can do here now is actually like if, because I noticed that the state is 1 if it's clicked or pressed, and it's 0 when it's released. What we can do is if state pressed equals 1. Actually, we can do pressed equals state. Pressed equals state. That makes sense. So now what we can do is that. Probably. Yeah, that works very good. I'm thinking though, maybe it's not very nice to have a function for every key click. Maybe it's nicer to have like a switch statement in here for which key is being clicked. And that would probably make it so that each like that would probably save us some memory as well, because like adding an event listener for every key that you want to listen to might cost a lot of memory if you're doing that a lot, but also I think the code will be prettier like this. Maybe we should keep it like this for now. It doesn't really do any harm right now, at least. Yeah, let's just keep it like this. It's all right. So yeah, it'll do. So yeah, we got a nice event system here now for inputs, but one problem though, I think, might be nah, I don't really see a problem actually. I don't see a problem really. I'm thinking about the event manager a little bit though. maybe... I'm sorry, I'm just thinking a little bit. No, I don't know. I don't see a problem with this, really. So... no, I don't see a problem with this right now. Cool. Let's make this pad controllable. Okay, so we're gonna have int key up. Whoa. Actor pad key. Whoa. Up callback. Key up equals state. Void actor pad key down callback in state. So the only thing we will be able to do with this pad is to move it up and down, right? Key down equals state. That looks all right. So let's do... whoa. Change that to key up, key down. And then we do if key up self y plus equals if key down self y minus equals. So we should be able to move that one up and down now. Yep, that works very good. Cool. Actor pad. Maybe we'll have a float. Float speed now. Maybe. Yeah, let's just do it like that. And then in the actor.c, we're going to do actor pad. Pad speed is equal to 3.5 maybe. And I'm going to do self speed. No, has no member speed. Oh, actor pad. We need to cast it. That works. So now we can move it up and down. Cool. So yeah, we got our inputs working pretty good. And that is it for this video. I think in the next video we will work on something completely different, probably texturing. I know I said we're going to work on that multiple times now and we never really gotten into doing it, but I think in the next video it's time to do work on texturing. I know we also need to change how the scene works a little bit too, because right now we don't have that sort of abstraction that we have with the actors, and I want to do that sort of abstraction with the scenes as well, so that you can define sub definitions of the abstract main scene, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that and texturing is a big issue right now, so we'll probably do texturing in the next video. That's yeah, it's sort of necessary actually. And we also need to work on some memory problems. We haven't defined any methods to free up memory for actors and stuff. But yeah, we'll get into that. So yeah, next video, texturing. And actually, I think the only thing that is going to have a texture here is the ball. The pads will be squares, colored squares, I think. But yeah, we'll get into that in the next video. We got input working now at least, and it's working pretty good. So yeah, thank you for watching.